All right, today let's do the hands-on for GitHub packages. So package management is all about handling reusable piece of code called packages in a consistent way. So let's get started. I'll open one of my repository, GitHub Foundation. Let's open. Now we need to spin up one code space. I'll click here, create code space on main. All right, so let's begin by creating one new folder. So we can create a new folder by mkdir command. So let's create the folder. I have done the homework for you. First is mkdir, which will make a folder named my first project. I'll copy this and allow and hit enter. And there we go. The folder we got, I'll list. And if I do ls, I got the new folder. Now let's get inside this folder. I'll do Control C, type cd, change directory to get inside the folder. Now I am inside my first project. So this looks good. So now we need to create a package. So we can do it via the node.js or .NET anyway, but in this tutorial I'll demonstrate node.js packages. So if I see my file, I've done the homework. We need to initialize a project for node.js. We use the npm init command. I'll Control C, I'll paste it and hit enter. And there we go. We can see we have fired the npm init. So basically this npm init command creates a package .json file. If I do ls, let's do ls. So I can see package.json, right? What I mentioned just now. It basically creates package.json file. So now let's fire our next command, that is npm installed lodash. So let's paste the lodash command. I'll hit enter. So it says added one package, right? So let me explain what it does. So npm install lodash downloads the lodash library and records its version in package.json. So I'll do again ls, and here we can see package.json, right? I'll let me clear this terminal. Now it looks good. I'll do cat on this file. Let's do cat and see if we see the contents of the file. We got the version, right? So this shows how the dependency is listed with a version number, that is 1.0.0. so this looks good now. So now let's begin our the GitHub package hands-on. That is our objective will be publishing and consuming package via GitHub. So we need to go to our GitHub here. I'll click on my icon here, the face, right? Then I'll go to the basically the settings, and if I scroll down, I have the developer setting. I'll click on developer setting. Now I'll click on personal access token, that is pat. I'll click go ahead with tokens classic. Now I'll create generate new token. I'll generate new token classic. So here we basically need the write package and the read package. If I check mark this, some of these things are by default checked. So looks good. This is what is required. We need to name, give a name. It should be like GitHub package demo or something, right? This looks good. An expiration date we need to set, right? So let's do this 7 days, right? Once done, I'll generate the token, and please make sure it's mentioned that to copy the token now, because we won't be able to get it again. So I'll quickly copy it and paste it in a notepad, because I'll be forming one command later in this series or in this video. So I'm pasting the token in the notepad for future reference later on. Now I need to go back here, and here I have created my first project, right? So here I need to create one .npmrc file for node.js. How do we do it? So I can right click here, I can create new file, and here I'll write .npmrc. Let's hit outside. I'll double click on it, and if I double click, we can see this it's opened here somewhat. I'll move this somewhat here. Now I basically need to put the code. So let's put the code. So this we have done .npmrc. So here, if you look here, we got the auth token, and we got to put our token, which we have pasted in the notepad. So one more thing I want to highlight, that for npm init, if you're facing any difficulty, please try to fire the command once again, that is twice, if you're getting error, because sometimes first time for node.js or even .net, you might get errors, right? So that is the trick. If you fire the command twice, it will run. So now let me copy this. I'll form my code here. I'll copy the token. I'll paste my token here, and I'll copy this. And here in the file, I'll just paste it. I'll go to the three dots, file, save. So now this looks good. We are now ready to publish our package. So the we can publish our package by using the npm publish command. I've done the homework. So the command is here, npm publish. So let me paste this and hit enter, and there we go. We have successfully published it. So that's what it goes like we have published. So this basically the publish command uploads the package to GitHub registry. So this concludes the tutorial for GitHub Packages. So this shows how GitHub Packages acts like a private app store for your code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in next part of the series.